Hello. So in this video, what I have in front of me and what I'm going to be discussing about is the Adidas slides, in which we call the Adissage slides because of these little massage tube thingies or whatever. But anyway, so just some information about Adidas. So it was definitely founded, and headquarters was in Germany. The name of the city of Germany starts with an H. I tried to pronounce it. It started from who pretty much invented and created it. It's Adolf Dassler, and it was actually his mom's home when he was making this. So, and just some information about like the three stripes. So he pretty much called it like his three-stripe company. 1, 2, 3 at first. And then it moved to the tray fold, where you kind of see like a flower, whatever. And it changed. Well, the logo pretty much changed because their brand was a lot larger, and it was more diverse. So they wanted to change it as far as the logo a little bit. And then the mountain, as far as like with the 3 bars, it pretty much just adds power, and it represents a mountain, and it's telling people, who purchase Adidas or whatever, to pretty much push themselves to the limit. So if you look back and if you look at the different logos on how it changed throughout the years, they all have a story behind them all. So, but that's if you like really pay attention to, like how it changed and stuff. Like there's some where you see the mountain, and there's some where you kind of see like the triple, but it all has a story behind it. So I'm just going to give some information about the slide. So it does come in different colors, but I like black. So you can see I've been wearing them. I wear them with socks. Sometimes I wear without socks. I was at a salon and I was getting ready to get my eyebrows done, and the lady that actually works there, pretty much close to her, we feel like she's like family to us. So it was just funny. So she had, I believe, like some of her family relatives in there, I think. Don't quote me on it, I'm not sure. But anyway, I know they were helping her for a fact, and she just kind of wanted to see what it was. So she's like, sorry, and she said my name, and she put her finger just to see. She just wanted to see if it's like hard, because some people have different opinions as far as this sole is concerned. Like some people may think it's hard, some people think that it may be uncomfortable, some people may think that it's really massaging their feet and they feel comfortable, and they feel like they can walk all day long. I'm not going to lie. At first, when they were a little new, I thought it was a little uncomfortable, just because I wasn't used to something being under my feet like that. Like, I wouldn't say it felt like something was poking, but it just felt like something was in the shoe. Was I able to deal with it? Yeah. Did I want to take my shoes off and put on something else? No. I guess because my feet are sensitive, so I was kind of like, okay, wait. But I mean, it's comfortable. You can tell it's been walking in them. And then my mom loves them. She absolutely loves these. Like, she's so quick to just slide them on and keep it pushing, keep it moving. So these are actually called like massage nubs on a footbed that soothe and relax tired muscles. So it's supposed to soothe and relax your muscles, under your feet. An adjustable bandage upper dries quickly and features 3 stripes and Adidas badge of sport. And the outsole offers lightweight comfort. So, you can adjust on how tight or how loose you want it. Kind of. See if I can. Okay, cool. So it's pretty much easy. I mean, really self-explanatory. And then as tight as you want, as loose as you want, and then voila, you're done. So yeah, so I've been wearing these boys out like But yeah, they're really comfortable. And these are actually, I think these are men, unisex, whatever. I mean, I think they have women's as well, but I believe these are men. I like men's shoes. I like women's too, but I believe these were under the men. Can you walk in these shoes for a long time? I think it really depends on a person itself. Depending on how long can you stay on your feet, the situation your feet's in, how long you can stand, stuff like that. So it's really all about preference on what you choose to do. Some people do it for fashion. Some people do it for a quick, just want to put my feet in something and go to the beach, or, go to the store and come right back. Some people do it for both. So it just all depends on the person. But to me, yeah, they are comfortable. Would I get another pair? Absolutely. Would I get another pair that's different from these? That's a good question. I actually would. Dig in, with the massage soles. If they have an all white pair, I definitely get that. But anyway, okay, these are the Adidas Adissage slides on.